Some call it the business of the 21st century. Many call it the recession-proof business. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett called it simply the best investment I ever made. It's an industry that has grown steadily for the past 20 years, jumping over 91% in just the past 10. An industry that enjoys annual sales of over $30 billion in the U.S. and over $100 billion worldwide. An industry called direct selling. And for the 13 million Americans and 55 million people worldwide who are part of it today, business is booming. Why is business booming? There are 4 reasons. Word-of-mouth advertising, the home-based business boom, low risk, high return, and no experience required. As citizens of the information age, we're constantly bombarded by messages, TV, print, billboards, banner ads. The reality is that we just don't trust the media overload anymore. But we do still trust the personal recommendations of our friends and family. It's a simple fact of human nature every Hollywood producer knows well. Nothing sells better than a friend's recommendation. Call it referral marketing, word of mouth, one-to-one. Whatever you call it, it's big business, and it's what's driving direct selling. Instead of paying millions for traditional advertising, direct selling companies pay the people who use, love, and enthusiastically talk about their products and services. These person-to-person recommendations might take place at work, in a coffee shop, on the phone, on the internet, or anywhere. Legendary management expert and best-selling author Tom Peters calls direct selling the first truly revolutionary shift in marketing.
Good morning. Welcome to the business that will surely boom in this 21st century. Witness the marketing plan of Alpha Cirrus, the network marketing division of Sempiternal Corporation. There are 8 lines of products in Alpha Cirrus: household products, Dead Sea Beauty products, food supplement, fragrance, bills payment and remittance, travel ticketing, cargo logistic, and e-loading. You can earn in more ways than one. First is retail profit. You can get 22% discount as members of Alpha Cirrus. For example, sa aming sabon na Radiance, ito ay nakakahalaga ng 180 pesos per kilo, and you can get 22% discount. So makukuha na lamang siya ng 140 pesos and 40 cents. May kita ka na 39 pesos and 60 cents, so sa 10 piraso, you can earn 396 pesos per day. Second ay ang first order bonus. Earn first order bonus for every personally sponsored distributor. In Alpha Cirrus, you can get 500 pesos as first order bonus. Halimbawa, ikaw ay maka-invite sa iyong left at nag-join siya sa company, you can get 500 pesos. Gayon din sa iyong right. Pag siya ay nag-join sa company, you can get another 500 pesos. At ito ay didiretso sa iyong account. What if you have 5 first order bonuses? Then, sa iyong unang buwan, you can get 2,500 pesos. Third ay ang Infinity Team Commission. In Alpha Cirrus, you can get 1,500 pesos as marketing support. Halimbawa, ikaw ay maka-invite ang partner sa iyong left at right. Pag sila ay nag-join sa company, aside from the first order bonus na 1,000 pesos, you can also get 1,500 pesos as pairing bonus. Total, 2,500 pesos. At kapag ginawa nila ang ginawa mo, mag-invite ng partners, they can also earn not only 1,500 pesos, but also 2,500. At syempre, dahil may mga bago kang partners sa iyong left at right, meron ka ulit bonus. Another 1,500 pairing bonus plus another 1,500 pairing bonus. Total, 3,000 pesos. So you can earn up to 15,000 pesos a day or 450,000 pesos a month. Fourth, performance incentives. So in Alpha Cirrus, there is a lottery type compensation. No time frame, no quota, no demotion. So depende sa iyong performance, you can be promoted. First position ay ang pagiging team leader. Upang maging team leader, kailangan mo magkaroon ng 2 direct referrals at 50,000 group points. Kapag ikaw ay naging team leader, you can get 10% rebate. Para umakyat sa susunod na posisyon, upang maging sales manager, kailangan mo magkaroon ng 4 direct referrals at kailangan ang 2 doon ay team leaders. So, kailangan mong tumulong sa iyong grupo. At maliban doon, kailangan nyo rin ng 200,000 group points. At para umakyat sa pinakamataas na posisyon, bilang presidential director, kailangan mong magkaroon ng 10 direct referrals, 6 elite executive director, at 5 million group points. Kinakailangan ng effort ng iyong grupo upang maabot ang pinakamataas na posisyon. And you can get 30% rebate. Halimbawa, kapag ikaw ay may 10,000 members na at sila ay bumili ng tag-iisang radiance, ito ay may 350,000 points. At bilang team leader, you can get 10%, so 35,000 points, maaari kang kumita ng 35,000 pesos per month. Fifth ay ang Builder's Bonus Unilevel System. Halimbawa, ikaw ay maka-invite at nag-join sa company, si Peter ay ang iyong magiging first level. At pag si Peter, na-invite niya ang kanyang kaibigan na si James ang iyong magiging second level. Hanggang umabot sa iyong 7th level. At kapag ikaw, halimbawa, sa iyong first level ay may 10 grupo, then sila ay magbayad ng tagdadalawang bills lamang, ikaw ay maaaring kumita ng piso sa bawat bill, then ang iyong commission ay 20 pesos per month. Paano kung umabot sa iyong 4th level na 10,000 people? Then, sa 2 bills na kailang binabayaran, times 2 pesos as commission, pwede kang kumita ng 20,000 pesos per month. Paano kung umabot sa iyong 7th level, nag-duplicate lang ng tagsa 10, ang iyong member ay magiging 10 million na, so sa 2 bills na kailang binabayaran, maaari kang kumita ng 20 million pesos per month. Easiest way to start a business? Become a microgrocer. Get started with 8,888 pesos and you can get 22% lifetime discount on any tangible products, 70% worth of tangible products, services e-commerce web tool, personal website with business tracking system, professional training, insurance, brochure, CD presentation, microgrocer's ID, and of course, your own business. There is no such thing as luck in this industry. Winning big is a matter of being willing to pay the price. Are you? Your future is in your hands. The choices which you make today will determine the course of your entire future. From Jack Canfield, author of Chicken Soup for the Soul, book The Success Principle. If you are involved in network marketing, you have to put in countless hours in the beginning, not getting paid what you are worth. You may work for months with no real income, but eventually, the multiplier effect of your growing teams takes effect, and eventually, you are making money than you ever imagined possible. If you want financial freedom, then build your own pipeline. Join us now and start building your dreams with us. Contact the person who gave you this presentation.